morning to one all present here. My name is Likita Singh and today I am going to prove that F is directly proportional to M. So as we all know that F is equal to ma by Newton's second law of motion. Now for any body which is falling freely, we know that A is replaced by G, which is a constant on earth. G implies for gravity. So we know that F is equal to mg for free falling body. From here we get that F is directly proportional to M. Now let's see how F is directly proportional to M. Here I have two objects, one of mass 165 grams and other of mass 50 grams, as you can see both of them. And I have this surface which is slightly rough, not really smooth but slightly rough. And I have this Rubik's cube as center, and we'll see that for the first object, जब मैं इसे स्लाइड कर रही हूँ यहाँ से बिल्कुल सेंटर से, तो ये इसे इतना डिस्प्लेस कर रही है, विच इज मोर देन 15 सेंटीमीटर. ये यहाँ पे है एंड इट्स मोर देन 15 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ आई एम पुटिंग बैक द रुबिक्स क्यूब जहाँ पे वो था. अब मैं इस नेल पेंट कंटेनर को कर रही हूँ जो कि 50 ग्राम्स का है, विच इज लेसर देन द मास ऑफ दिस बॉल. नाउ इफ आई सॉरी यहाँ पे ये 15 सेंटीमीटर से काफी कम डिस्प्लेस हुआ है अपनी जगह से, विच मीन्स कि हमारा जितना मास ज्यादा होगा उतना हमारा फोर्स रहेगा. तो जैसे यहाँ पे इसका मास ज्यादा था तो इसने ज्यादा फोर्स अप्लाई करी इस रुबिक्स क्यूब पे, तो ये ज्यादा डिस्प्लेस हो गया. और यहाँ इसका मास कम है तो इसने कम फोर्स अप्लाई करी रुबिक्स क्यूब पे और ये कम डिस्प्लेस हुआ. सो फ्रॉम हियर वी गेट दैट F इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू M एंड दैट्स माय एक्सपेरिमेंट. थैंक यू.
They eat meat and they hibernate under the trees in winter.
This is a horse. Horses are of different species. These run very fast. These are weekend impact aspects. They live in farmhouses, houses, or stables. They eat grass, leaves, and other types of grass.
These are the fastest land animal in world. They eat meat and their fastest speed is 125 km per hour.
Or in Metropolis as Bird of the Pit. It's the national tree of India.
My name is Divya and my name is Vanshika from PMC Kendra Vidyalaya. Today we shown a magnet activity. So my friend will tell you how this activity works.
The magnets in opposite his goes there and in opposite his come. Rekha from PMC Kendra Vidyalaya Sector 24 Noida. Today I am doing an activity of magnets. This is a magnet when the same poles are repulsion and different pole attraction. I'm going to show some flashcards of mine. So the first flashcard is a plant of pumpkin. The pumpkin plant is a creeper. It breathes in the ground as its stem is weak. The next flashcard is of snake. It is a reptile.
Everyone, I'm Ashlesha Dhilda and today I made some flashcards of plants and animals. So my first flashcard is about a dog. A dog is a cute pet, also known as a cute pet, and he is very loyal to his duties. They live in kennels or in the pet house. The owner made for them. They also eat veg like fruits, vegetables, or the food you eat. They also eat non-veg like there are many breeds of the dogs. Different habitats, and some also have wild habitats.
Hello, it's a flashcard
of lion. Lion lives in cave. The special thing about lion is the bite force of lion is about 650 to 1000 psi, which is enough to kill large prey in one bite. It's a flashcard of cactus. Cactus are mainly found in desert areas. The special thing about cactus is they can live in desert environment without water. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is October Fox. Today we will get flashcard, plants and animals. This animal is food. This animal is rabbit. Rabbit is a beautiful animal and run very fast.
What rabbit eats?
Grass,
And orange color one vegetable is there?
carrot,
Carrot, very nice. And radish, very good.
Hello, my name is Amantika and I study in 6th grade. Today I am going to tell you about groundnut. It also known as peanut. It has shell on it. We eat it in winter and we eat it with salt and chili. It has also a very good taste. We use it in cooking also. We add it in poha, lemon rice and many more things. We make a paste of it called coconut chutney and we eat it from idli and dosa. Thank you.
my name is Karthik Kumar. And we are making a flashcard. Plants and animals. Second animal is horse. Horse is running very fast. And it is dry fruits and grass. And the ride of horse.
Good morning. My name is Shriya Sharma and this is my companion Rani Pathak. We are from PMC Kendra Vidyalaya, Noida Sector 24 of class 12 B. आज हम परमानेंट मैग्नेट के बारे में देखेंगे. परमानेंट मैग्नेट अपनी मैग्नेटिक पावर कभी यूज नहीं करता कि अगर उसको पानी के अंदर डालें तभी वो जो टेम्परेरी मैग्नेट है वो यूज कर देते हैं. तो अभी परमानेंट मैग्नेट को हम पानी के अंदर डालेंगे. I will put another magnet to check that it has lost its magnetic power or not. As we can see that it hasn't lost its magnetic power, so it is a permanent magnet. Thank you.
Start.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Indira Kumar and my partner Arav Rana will show that the flame requires oxygen. Arav, light the candle. As we can see that the flame is in contact with the oxygen, so it's burning. But until we will put glass on it, it will extinguish. Arav, put the glass. Now you can see that the fire extinguished because there is no oxygen present in the glass. Thank you.
हम PMC केंद्र विद्यालय के 12वीं कक्षा छात्र हैं. आज हम एक मैग्नेट की प्रैक्टिस दिखाएंगे. जैसे कि हमें पता है कि परमानेंट मैग्नेट्स पानी के अंदर भी अपना मैग्नेटिज्म यूज करते हैं. अगर आप कोई दूसरा मैग्नेटिक मटेरियल ले जो कि कचरे नहीं है तो शायद पानी के अंदर अपना मैग्नेटिज्म छोड़. तो आज हमारे पास एक पानी का कंटेनर है. इसके अंदर एक परमानेंट मैग्नेट है और एक हमारे पास मैग्नेट है जो हम उसके अंदर सस्पेंड करेंगे. अगर वो परमानेंट मैग्नेट इस मैग्नेट से टच हो जाता है या चिपक जाता है तो फिर वो क्लोरीन हो जाता है. जैसे कि हम देख सकते हैं मैग्नेट स्टिक हो गया है. इसका मतलब ये है कि जो परमानेंट मैग्नेट है वो अपना मैग्नेटिज्म यूज नहीं कर सकता.
Good morning, my name is Abir Gupta. I am going to show you a physical change. This is the normal size of a rubber band. If we expand it and leave it from one end, it comes back to its original state. Hence, it is a physical change.
Good morning. My name is Janvi Dikshit. I am from 7A. I will show you a physical change. If we cut the paper into pieces, we can see we have two pieces. But it's a physical change because no new properties are formed.